could be like prisoners, yeah, and we can be alone. Or we can make it last like no one knows and risk it on our own. Spending the money that we don't have cause we don't care now. Living like kings with broken strings and face down to